Welcome back to Web Development course using PHP. In this video, you will learn some of the operations on your variable. I will clear all the code we have written previously. Let's create two new variables, x and y. We will assign integer value in x and y to perform arithmetic operation. I will assign a value of x to 2 and the value of y to 3. Let's create a new variable result to store the result of operation. Now, we will add two number by plus operator, like this, and store the result of addition on our result variable, like this. Here, first the value of x and y is added. That is, 2 plus 3. And it is equal to 5. Now, the result 5 is stored to variable result. Now we will use var dump function to print out the result, like this. Remember to save the file before refreshing the browse, and we will get 5 as expected. Jump back to Sublime. Now, we will rename our result variable to result_sum. We will create three new variables: result_subtract, result_multiply, and result_divide. Now, we will print out all result using var dump function, like this. Save the file, and reload the browser. Here we get the value as expected. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 minus 3 equal to -1. 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. And 2 divided by 3 equal to 0.66, and so on. Now, we will concatenate two string. Let's create two new variables, string1 and string2. Assign value hello to string1 and space world to string2. Let's concatenate or join this string by dot operator and print the result using echo statement, like this. Save the file and reload the browser. Here, we will get hello world as a single line. So, to join the string we use dot operator in PHP. This much for this lecture. Keep practicing, and we will meet in the next lecture.